Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to our viewers on onesportmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, one man is dead and another is in hospital nursing injuries following a daring daylight shooting on the Mandela Highway in St. Catherine this morning. The identities of the victims have not been officially released.
However, the police say the driver of the Ford minibus in which they were traveling may have been targeted. Details in this report.
12 minutes after 7 Friday morning, a dashcam recording of the Mandela Highway and the Municipal Boulevard intersection in St. Catherine. It looked like a regular Friday morning as motorists stopped to obey the traffic signal. But little did they know danger was lurking. Seconds later, if you look closely, a motorcyclist and a pillion pulled up beside this bus and then... It's like time stood still.
What's the matter? We're riding down. Mama, we can't control the car now.
As the attackers drove off, the bus moved slowly before crashing here.
Upon arrival, we saw 3 men. These men were actually in a Ford minibus. I must say that upon examination, one of the men was suffering from gunshot wound. One also had another wound to his hand, and one was there, but however, he escaped injuries.
Commanding officer for the St. Catherine South Police, SSP Leighton Gray, said the injured men were subsequently taken to hospital for treatment. However, one of them died while undergoing treatment.
The other man, he was unarmed, so the police take him and conduct some further interview. I must say that during the period, we realized that the area is being policed by this technology, which we continue to pursue. With the use of technology, we have gathered some information so far, and we are making some headway in terms of the investigation.
No motive has been established for the killing so far. However,
the passenger that was in the observer seat to the front, because the vehicle is really a left-hand drive vehicle. And I think the attackers believe that it was a right-hand drive. So as such, they went to the right side of the vehicle. And that is where they expended several bullets, shooting the persons inside the vehicle.
Meanwhile, the incident led to a traffic gridlock on the Mandela Highway Friday morning. Vehicles slowed to a crawl